Your family, your family, your family. Your family, your family, your family.
So here guys, you have to just choose, you have to download one mp3 from YouTube or any mp3 you have that you have to make as your audio of ringtone or message tone of your Android device. No, check my last video how to download mp3 videos from YouTube. Check my last video for that, and if you want any help. So now you have to just download, nothing to download, just type online audio cutter, just search over there, and the first result you get mp3cut.net. mp3cut.net, that's the thing we want to go over there. It should come something like this. My next videos will be create iPhone ringtones, and now I'm just gonna show you how to cut songs online. Here you can do URL by any of your online websites that you can't download. Just have it'll automatically download and convert it to mp3 and make, and you can be able to just delete it. So now I have mp3 download, I have many loads of them. So open file, after opening file, wait for some panel, come open. I'll choose this one's for you, my favorite. It comes like this. Don't fade in, it's waste. Never fade in, and keep it as mp3. Choose which part you need. Just choose from where you want. I want the drop of it. I'll choose that much, this much, and mp3 cut and download. It'll directly download. It'll ask where to download, but I'm just adding it so it does not replace. And yes, it has been downloaded. Refresh once. Oops, just go to downloads, and yeah, here you have. Sorry guys, this is not the thing I have downloaded. This is the Ghana. See, there you go. And then send the song. Here I don't have an Android device, so I'm just telling you. So send the song to your Android device by via share it. Then go to your settings, ringtones or sounds. Choose a ringtone. Then navigate your file. I I suggest you to keep it in your memory card songs folder. So when you can easily just find it wherever it was, and choose it as a ringtone, and it's over. Done. Boom. Here, just made a new ringtone, flashy ringtone of your Android device. And my next video will be on iPhone ringtone making and installing it. It's not too easy, it's not too tough. I'll teach you. Kindly subscribe and for more. Thank you. Bye.